Okay. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay. Let go.
Welcome to Is It Worth It? Your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets, tech, and more. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for the best products to enhance your life, we've got you covered. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support helps us bring you more great reviews and insights. And remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. So, if you decide to buy any of the products we review, using our links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. Is it worth it? Let's find out if it's really worth it together.
Looking for the ultimate drone experience? The REDRIE Drone with a 1080p first-person view camera is perfect for kids and adults alike. With features like gesture selfies, 360-degree flips, and Waypoint fly, this drone is packed with excitement. Plus, the altitude hold and headless mode make it super easy to control. Fly longer with 2 rechargeable batteries and capture every moment in stunning HD. This drone can also make an amazing Christmas gift. Imagine the joy on their faces as they unwrap this high-tech gadget. And the best part? If you order by December 19th, it will arrive before Christmas. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to elevate your adventures today.
Yo, peep this REDRIE Drone. Wanna level up your drone game? The REDRIE Drone with a 1080p first-person view camera is lit for both kids and adults. It's got gesture selfies, 360-degree flips, and Waypoint fly. Mad fun, right? Plus, with altitude hold and headless mode, it's a breeze to fly. You get 2 rechargeable batteries to keep the fun going and capture every moment in HD. This drone is also the perfect Christmas gift for anyone. Imagine the smiles when they unwrap this bad boy. And the best part, if you order today, it'll be here before Christmas. Don't sleep on this drone. Click the link in the description and elevate your adventures. Thanks for watching. Is it worth it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot to us. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and updates. We're here to help you decide if it's really worth it. And remember, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Your support helps keep the channel going strong. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And until next time, keep wondering, is it worth it?
I'm a trendsetter.